the unboxing of the Aimaculate folding stock for the AR15. This is it. Push the button, it opens. I gotta say, this is extremely gritty and it won't close unless you push it again and again. And even then, when it's on your gun, it's purported to fall apart. So this particular one I got, you're supposed to take this ring and put it in here, and then it screws into your buffer tube. So you push this in, and guess what? It won't go past, and it can't go in. So you're never able to screw it into where your buffer tube would go in your AR. So from right there, I called, wanted to return it, and they said, oh, it was a special and you cannot return it. The part is not returnable. So just then, you know, it's a scam because they're all on sale, as you may have known if you visited their site. Now, here's the other thing. It's advertised as 4140 steel. Here's a bar of 4140 steel, and there's a magnet. Guess what? This is actually aluminum. I don't know what grade of aluminum because it doesn't say, but it's cheap aluminum. And we all know that this hinge right here is not going to hold up if it's just aluminum. So, sorry guys, this is a cheap Chinese knockoff of a good American product. They even say buy Americans for Americans. It's not an American product. It's a Chinese knockoff. $12 on Temu. Don't buy it.